Hey everybody, Aunt Cathy here from handsofAwoman.com. Hi, and I've got a towel here I want to show you. This is a little crab art towel, and the artist that drew the drawing for it is Brianna Atwell. She's an Alabama artist. And the towel itself is a hand-dyed cotton. And it's got a bit of texture to it. It's fairly lightweight. And these towels are about 15 by 20 inches. They're all pretty similar in size. And I think I've got 4 of them here. And I'll show them all to you. And it's quite a modelly dye. These are in my gray series, really. At the end of a dye run, I'll do a series of grays, and there are multiple colors in the vat by the time that happens, and so there's some reds in here and some purples and browns and whatnot. The embroidery on this one is done in a coral color, and then it has a crab on it and a word, and then that's sort of the ripple of a sand. I imagine that way. And there's the next one. And these have got tags on the back of them. And that's what the back of the embroidery looks like. There's some little markings on here. That's soap, and that'll come off when you wash it. Those are manufacturing marks when I do the embroidery. That'll come out. And there's the last one. Now, here's what it looks like folded in half. And here's what it looks like folded in thirds. And hang up in your kitchen now. And that's a crab, a coral crab towel, and I've got 4 of those. Those would make a nice napkin too on your lap. These grays are of course, this is the brown color, I realize that, but I call them my grays. They're going to hide stains and whatnot in your kitchen. And I know when you eat seafood, it's nice to have a great big napkin, so those would be nice to have with your seafood dinner. Anyway, that's it for now. Bye-bye.